So two-dimensional motion can look quite complicated because you have an object that it's moving in maybe an X and a Y direction. Well, it turns out that analyzing this motion is actually simpler than it first appears, because often we can split the motion up into components and analyze the motion in each direction separately. So you can see in this example a car that's going around a corner. We can compare its final velocity and its initial velocity to find the change in its velocity in order to find its acceleration. Now, the velocity, acceleration, and displacement, we remember, are vectors. And it turns out it's possible to look at just one component at a time. So we can find the acceleration in just the x direction by looking at the final and initial velocities in just the x direction. And we can look at the acceleration in just the y direction by considering the final and initial velocities in just the y direction. In this way, we split up the problem into simpler chunks, and we can solve for each direction separately and then bring the components back together for a final answer. So here's a question for you. Let us consider the following controls on a car. You can have a gas pedal, brake, steering wheel. Which of these can cause the car to accelerate?